Good morning. Boy, hasn't life been different the last few days. I'm up and ready to go, but I do need to put on my cute work boots, and I'm going to go check things out on the farm. I've already let the chickens out, and they're doing pretty good, I would say. We have our neighbors' horses who are in our pasture right now. We are loving on them, letting them eat over here. Things are pretty quiet. A couple of cars are driving down the road, but not much. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to go out in the back. We're going to be starting a garden out here. Hopefully planting part of it today. I'm just going to go back and say hi to our goats. Hi, babies. Oh, hi. You happy to see me? Hi. Okay. Calm down. I love you. Okay, I'll take you for a walk in a little while. Anyway, stay posted. I'm getting ready to work out, which I'm going to share with you.